Hey everyone, for this recipe we're showing you how to make a giant beef kebab. For this recipe you will need 4 green chilies, 1 medium-sized onion, 4 tablespoon coriander, 3 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon red chili, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 500 grams of ground beef. So go ahead and put your coriander, onion, and green chilies into a chopper and let it chop thoroughly. After that, add those ingredients and the rest of the ingredients into one big mixing bowl and mix that very thoroughly. The better you mix it, the better texture you will have for your kebab. Once the mixture looks something like this, cover it for at least 1 hour. Now you can go ahead and make your kebabs, or in this case, your giant kebab. Now, if you have a grilling machine, this part will be way easier for you. We just put this on parchment paper and onto the grilling machine and let it grill for about 14 minutes until it looks something like this. That's how you know it's ready. And that's about it. This is a perfect recipe for family get-togethers or if you're going on a barbecue to take outside. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Please share this with your friends. Have a nice day.